Question number 16. The following table gives the daily wages of workers in a factory. Wages in rupees 45 to 55. Wages in rupees 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, and 75 to 80. Class interval 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, and 75 to 80. And number of workers, that is frequency Fi. Frequency is 5, 8, 30, 25, 14, 12, and 6. Sum of frequency, that is equal to 8 plus 5, 13, 18, 22, and 8, that is equal to 30. 4, 5, 7, 10, 100. Sum of frequency is equal to 100, and mid value, that is xi. (45 plus 50). 45 plus 50 upon 2, that is equal to 95 upon 2 equal to 47.5. First number is 47.5, then 52.5, and 57.5, 62.5, 67.5, 72.5, and 77.5 last. Di equal to xi minus a. Let a is equal to 62.5. 47.5 minus 62.5, 62.5, and 47.5. 0.12 minus 7, that is equal to 5, and 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Negative 15, negative 10, negative 5, 0, 5, 10, and positive 15. 67.5 minus 62.5 is positive 5, then positive 10, and 77.5 minus 62.5, that is positive 50. Fi into Di, 5 into 15, 75, 10 into 8, minus 80, 30 into minus 5, minus 150, 0, and 14 into 5, 14 into 5, 70, 12 into 10, positive 120, and 15 into 6, 90. sum of positive number FIDI, sum of positive number and sum of negative number, that is equal to 5 and 8 plus 5 13 plus 7 20 minus 305, and sum of positive number 0 9 plus 2 11 plus 7 18 2, and minus 305 and 280 5 2 negative sign. So FIDI equal to minus 25. By shortcut method, mean x dash is equal to a plus summation FIDI upon summation FI, which implies assumed mean a is equal to 62.5 plus FIDI, that is minus 25, and divided by sum of frequency, that is 100. So mean x dash equal to 62.5 minus 25 divided by 100, that is minus 0.25, which implies mean equal to 62.50 minus 0.25. 10 minus 5 equal to 5, and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 6 62.25 rupees. In rupees, answer. Wages in rupees, class interval equal to 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 7, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, and 75 to 80. Frequencies 5, 8, 30, 25, 14, 12, and 6. Mid value 45 plus 50 divided by 2, that is equal to 95 upon 2 is 47.5. First value 47.5, then 52.5, and 57.5, 62.5, 67.5, and 72.5, 77.5. Assumed mean a is equal to 62.5. So di equal to xi minus a. 47.5 minus 62.5, that is equal to negative, we get minus 15, and then minus 10, minus 5, 0, positive 5, 67.5 minus 62.5, that is equal to positive 5, and positive 10, positive 15. So FIDI equal to 15 5s are 75 negative, 10 8s are 80 negative, and 5 into 30, that is negative 150, and their sum equal to minus of 305. 14 multiplied by 5 equal to 70, 12 multiplied by 10 is equal to 120, and 6 multiplied by 15, 6 are 90, and their sum equal to 280. Negative, positive, minus 305 plus 280, that is equal to minus 25. So FIDI equal to negative 25 and sum of frequency equal to 100. So by shortcut method, mean x dash equal to a plus summation FIDI upon summation FI. Assumed mean is 62.5 plus FIDI is minus 25 upon 100, that is equal to 0.25 negative, and 62.50 minus 0.25, 10 minus 5 is 5 and 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 minus 0 is 2 and 6 as it is. Then mean is equal to 62.25 rupees. Answer. Thank you.